people, this is Angie's World. Welcome to my channel. Just to let you know, this channel was created yesterday, 17th of January 2020, and I'm here to show you people how to make Nigerian pancake. Come on and see how it is. Just to let you know, please remember to click on the button view. Click on the button. Your girl is waiting.
Nigerian
Take care.
Style of pancake. Now I've got all my ingredients here. As you can see, I've got paprika, spices, that's natural herbs. I've got my nut milk. I've got my Nigerian pepper. I love using Nigerian pepper in making anything. I tell you, so nice. Brings out the taste in any food you cook. Come with me now and I'll show you how to cook. Yeah. Now I'm breaking the eggs now, and I'm going to whisk it to a good consistency. Then I'll move towards the paprika, pour some of that into the flour. I'll stir. The next thing I'm going to do is to put the butter. You stir the butter as well. Put some of the spice, again some salt, nice turn in there. Turn. Nigerian Maggi. Who does not know how to use Nigerian Maggi? Me, I love it too. I like putting it in everything. I put that in and I stir. The Nigerian hot pepper is going in there. Stir. Look how nice it's coming up. Oh my God, it's really lovely. I'm pouring in water now. A little bit of water. Then I'm going to stir the flour. Stir very well to make sure that it's nice. But if it's too thick, you can pour in more water until you get that very smooth consistency. It's really good that when you're making pancake, you make it very smooth. There will be no seed or anything like that. Just keep on stirring. Look at that. Oh my God. Come with me, guys. More water will be going in later. But for now, I am going to go to show you the oil I'm going to use, which is flora oil. That's what I'm going to use to make the pancake. Now watch me cook. I'm going to be pouring the egg into the mixed flour. Stir very well. Like I said, you need to put more water if there's no. But this time around, I'm putting my onions, which I forgot to mention to you guys before. Turn. Yum. Onions is really good for the eye, you understand. Just stir. Look at me stirring my pancake. Can you see that? Lovely. It's all smooth. I'm going to add more water. Like I said before, it has to be really good. That's the water I've just put in and I'm stirring now. Can you see, guys? I am stirring. The egg goes in now. Turn the egg until everything goes in smooth. What do you think? Watch me turn it, guys. I am turning it very well. This is Angie's World making pancake. Turn until everything is smooth. Now let's go to frying. I'm putting my oil, like I said. I showed you this oil before. Turn around the pan round. Make sure that everything is okay on a hot high, not very hot high heat, but hot oil. But now I'm pouring the mixture in there. Look how it's gonna go around now. Wow, that's fantastic. Watch it go now. Wow, this is really good. I'm gonna allow it a little bit for 1 minute, then I'll flip it. That's the flipping. Wow, that's really good. But remember, when frying pancake, it has to be brown. Not very brown. I don't mean very brown. But now look at the outcome of my pancake. See my pancake with my strawberry decoration on it. Please, my friends, you can have this thing with anything, whether custard or with tea, with akam, anything. Nigerian people know what I mean by akam. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and pass this message to your friends and family. This is Angie's World. See you guys soon. Love you.